In a large mixing bowl, add in half a cup of granulated sugar, followed by 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a cup of melted butter. Now whisk until evenly incorporated. Whisk, whisk, whisk. And as you whisk, make sure that you don't have any lumps. Then add in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Whisk in the egg and vanilla extract until light ribbons fall off the whisk. Then sift in 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. To the flour, add in half a teaspoon of baking soda. Go ahead and sift that in. Then, using a spatula, go ahead and fold it in and make sure to fold just until combined. Do not overmix. Overmixing will cause the gluten in the flour to toughen, which will result in cakier cookies. Then add in 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chunks, followed by another 4 ounces of dark chocolate chunks. Then fold in the chocolate chunks evenly. Now bring the cookie dough to the fridge and let it rest for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare your air fryer. Cover the air fryer tray with parchment paper. Now, if you don't have an air fryer, then use your oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Once the tray has been covered with parchment paper, place back into the air fryer basket. Using an ice cream scoop, scoop out the cookie dough into the prepared air fryer basket. We are air frying 4 cookies at a time as they need room to spread. Now air fry them at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes or until golden and cooked through. And if everything goes according to plan, your air fryer chocolate chip cookies will look like this. Let them rest for about 2 to 3 minutes before removing from the basket. Transfer them onto a wire rack and let them cool off completely. You may use the same parchment paper to continue air frying the rest of the cookies. Once the cookies have cooled down, then you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, the best air fryer chocolate chip cookies. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye.